Welcome to the CHN video for generating EJB server. In this video, we will use the eGolf model for generating an EJB server. For generating EJB server, use the CHN toolset. Open the eGolf model. In the menu bar, click Construction and then Generation. To open the generation window, set generation defaults for DDL, as displayed here. Click Save and OK to save the defaults. Click DDL All and install to build DDL. Build tool displays the build status. Click Cooperative Code and trigger the code and the installation in the Cooperative Code Generation window. Expand Business System for eGolf Services. Select Code and Installation for Server Manager of Server Load module. Click Generation Default and select appropriate entries for Operating System, Database Management System and others. Make sure that the TP monitor is EJB. Select the Override Business System and the Include Drop Statements checkboxes. Click Save and OK. Click Code selected to generate the codes. Build status OK confirms the successful generation of EJB server. To assemble the EJB server, select all the modules except DDL. Assemble the selected modules to generate the EAR file. Select the application server. Here I am selecting generic for JBoss. Select the additional files library if your model uses an external file. Include the external file from the source. Click OK to assemble. Assembling is complete. Now access the path to the EAR file. Deploy the EAR file into JBoss. After the deployment, your server is ready. Now you can use any Java client to connect to this server. For details about connecting to the server, refer to the WebView video. For more detailed information about this product, click Resources to load the product page. From there, you can visit product documentation, support, communities, or see the learning paths.